Hey YouTubers, how's everybody doing? If y'all watched my last video, you saw me at my attempt to make pizza crust dough, and I was kind of awkward at it because it was my very first time, but it turned out okay. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to make the pizza. Yes, the moment we've been waiting for. And I'm going to do it on my Weber Smoky Mountain, and I've got a stone that I'm going to use. This is a stone we've had for a long time. My wife purchased it from the Pampered Chef. So, that'll be interesting. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my grill started up and get this stone heating up with my grill. Very important, because if you don't, it'll crack. So I'm going to get ready to do that and build my pizza. Y'all stay tuned.
Slower than a sloth, more off the wall than Humpty Dumpty, able to burn food until it's unrecognizable. It's a master griller. It's a master chef. Hell no, it's the bomb smokes.
Alright y'all, this is my setup. I have two containers, one on each side. My stone's going to go in the middle on the top, great. And I like to use these from Weber. They're these little fire starters, little white blocks. And you could order them probably online, or you can get them at Walmart in the grilling section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set one down here. I've got one here. I'm going to go ahead and light them. I've never actually shown, I don't think I've ever actually shown anyone how I did this. Alright, I got them started. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put some charcoal around them and let them be getting started. So while that's getting warmed up and my stone getting warmed up, we'll go in and make the pizzas. Alright y'all, I got my dough out here. I don't know if I have enough to make two 12-inch pizzas, but if I don't, I'm not going to worry about it. I was told that you kind of stretch this out here with the palm of your hand and get it out and try to get it, keep flipping it. Okay, now the first thing I did was layer it with this. I was a little lazy. I could have made my own, but I went with this ragu. I layered it on first. Then the next thing I did was put mozzarella cheese down here. Oh, and another thing I did all around here, I left the flour big enough to where I could take mozzarella sticks like these right here, and I cut them up to make a stuffed crust. I lined them all the way around, and then I pulled the dough around it and let it stick to the bottom. So we're going to have a stuffed crust here. Then I layered it with bell peppers. Then some squash, sliced very thin, zucchini squash. Now, I'm gonna go a little bit of onion. We like some onion, we really do. And then, I've got these sliced black olives. We love those too. So we're gonna put some of that on there. And then, I like pepperoni, but my wife doesn't. So I'm going to put pepperoni on my side.
It'll be fine for me.
Pepperoni on here. And we'll be ready for the grill here in just a minute. Then another thing I'm going to do is I've got some Parmesan and Romano grated cheese I'm going to sprinkle over the top of this. Now on top of that, we're going to lay some tomatoes. And we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of oregano on there. And a little bit of basil. Not too much, basil's kind of strong. Alright, so there we go, folks. One heck of a pizza. We'll be back. About 30 minutes on the grill, and it's doing pretty good. The temperature has stabilized at around 400 degrees, and I think that the crust is really done. I mean, it's good and firm, and everything seems to be cooked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off now. All right, y'all. Here's that pizza. Alright, here comes taste test, fellas. And the stuffed crust, look at that. Oh man, that is really good. Well, I'm going to wash this pizza down with a White Zombie, Catawba Brewing Company. This is very good beer. It's 5.1 ABV. Cheers, y'all. Well, listen, folks, I want to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, click the thumbs up button and subscribe. And remember, folks, don't take today for granted, because when it's gone, folks. See you next time. I gotta mention to y'all, when I was putting the pizza together, stupid me forgot to turn the video recorder on. I mean, I wasn't even recording it, so I had to go back and describe what I did. I don't know if it's ever happened to y'all, but it happened to me. Here I am thinking I'm recording a great scene, and it's not even rolling. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry about the little glitches in it, but the pizza turned out really good. And I'm very happy with it. So I'll probably be doing this again. Cheers, y'all.